Okay guys, this is my new boat. I sold the old Sea Ray and I got this 2017 Yamaha 242 Limited pre-owned. Currently dealing with a little issue with the Bluetooth for whatever reason. I can't connect it. Trying to figure that out. Wow, hashing out a couple other things, but as you guys can see, 142 hours. Not bad. I'm gonna work on upgrading the speakers. Let me see. I'm not too sure if these are stock. If anybody can comment, I'll appreciate it. But we don't do stock over here, so yeah, that'll be gone. But yeah, guys, so expect some content, excuse me, on this boat, on the music install, and on everything. Peace. Like and subscribe.